All right, y'all. Today's video, we are working on the '08 Civic Si. So we just got the tints on, and now we're going to put back on the window visors, their inserts. So with the tints, you don't want to leave those on because, you know, it could drag or whatnot. And then the best part of the day is replacing the window trim. I don't know if you can see in there, but it is not looking good at all. Look, there's a big old hole right here too. So to do that, there are screws here. Pop that screw out there, and then this slides up and this guy cracks off. So yeah, let's roll down the window for the first time since the tint. You take this off now. Oh, bogus. Come on, I can do it. I can save it. I can save it. I can save it. Come on. There we go. Oh, that's so bogus. Tape residue. It's no good. That's all right. I'll get it off with some glue gun or something. All right, for now, put the key in ignition into the on position. I think that's locked in. Gotta turn it on for window power. This is the first window roll down since the tints. And we look good. Ugh, look at that. You get a good view of that nastiness. All right, let's roll it back up. And we're good. Woohoo! All right, but for now we can leave it down. Just slow. There we go. How's the other side doing? I gotta unlock it. Unlock it. Can you see? Yeah, okay. So we're rolling it down slowly. I don't hear any noises. And it's sealed up. All right, great. Okay, so let me go get some tools and get that off. Be right back. Okay, I got the screw removed here. So now this piece on the side just slides up and out. So you've got these little brackets that hold it in. 3 little brackets that hold it in there. Perfect. Let's go to the other side. Just be able to slide it up here. Yep, you need 2 hands. Be right back. Okay, that one needed a little bit more finesse. 2 hands, and then I used a little panel popper, leverage, boom, bada bing. It's out of there. Perfect. Okay. Do that in there for now. All right, so now I want to take a look at this and see where it lines up at. Okay, so this is like right at that edge door there. And then on the other side, it's gonna be, see, it's a little bit more forward. So that's good to know when you're putting the old one back in. So let me pop these things out and compare them with the new ones. All right, for these inserts here, you just have to like get a good grip of it and just pull up, pull up, pull up. And then over here, it's stuck into the mirror, so it slides back to the edge of the car. And look, there's a good amount in there, good inch or so. All right, let's bring it up to the replacements and do a comparison. All right, these are the inserts for the window visors, and these are the new window trims. So let me use 2 hands to unbag that and compare them next. Be right back. All right, y'all, I got the 2 compared next to each other. Bottom one is the old one, obviously. Top one is the new one. The shape looks normal. They have a nice little protective thing on here, you know, I'll take that off when it's installed. This is the one for the passenger side. So yeah, next step is definitely what you want to do is clean. So now I could see inside here. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this all nice up. Look at this filthiness here. So yeah, that's gross. Definitely clean that before you guys install the new one. Why? Because you should. That's why. All right, I'll be back when that's all clean. All right, y'all, there we go. Nice and clean, all perfect for the new strip. Okay, let's go get the new strip on and take a look at it. All right, it's installed, just as easy as it was to take off. And I'll leave the peel for my fans. Oh man, dude. Talk about back to black. Oh wow. Now that's satisfying. Boop. Wow. It's glorious again. Look at that. Perfect seal. Awesome. All right. Let's put this door panel piece on. Okay. Hopefully I can do this with one hand. And I can't. See. All right. I'll be back when it's on, guys. Sorry. All right. Yep. 2 hands is the better result. Look at that. Boom, bada bing. On there. No gap. This feels wonderful. It's going to be held in. No problemo. Let's go roll up the window. See how that works. Oh, okay. Key in. Ignition. Window. Going up. Don't auto. Jeez, just go slow. Boom. Close. Okay. Let's check it out here. Awesome. It's sealed again. Yay. Oh man, so satisfying. Oh, beautiful. Perfecto. I'm gonna roll down slow. And it's, look at how it's like sealing up the window all nice there. Oh, that's great. Sweet. All right, let's put on the window visor now. I want to take one more document of how terrible these were. Jeez. How does that even happen? That's crazy. That just doesn't make any sense. But hey, they're fixed. All right, let's put these on now. Boom, boom, boom. All right, let's do it. Sweet. This is the final product. Tinted windows, inserted window visors, and brand new door trim to seal up the window so no more water is getting into this sweet, lovely ride. We'll check out the other side. Up here too, nice and clean. Now these got to sit for a day or two without rolling down the windows to apply the sticky, but man, that's looking great. All right, well, that's it for this video. Let's get a full shot of the car for the send-off. All right. Woo! Shoo! Shoo! Oh, that's a good one with the sun in there. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. All right, y'all. Peace.